Guys, so welcome back to this new video here on the channel, and on today's video we're going to be explaining about what we're currently seeing here in the cryptocurrency market. And on today's video I'm as well going to explain what we could be expecting for the remaining of this day. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, don't forget to right away smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you're definitely not going to miss out on any of this further content. And with that being said, guys, let me jump right away in towards the content. So Bitcoin has been coming down ever since yesterday evening, but right now, since we came down here, it looks to be that Bitcoin is still yet forming a higher low, and you can see clearly higher low getting formed on the market, higher low getting formed on the market, and once again a higher low is getting formed. So we can clearly see this could be either some kind of a W structure on the 1 hourly candles, or this could be a higher low structure that we're currently forming, what will be having a wider positive effect on the market as well. We already reached our price target here of the rising wedge here, because yesterday I did warn you guys here on my Twitter page that we were forming a rising wedge pattern that could be having a little bit more of a bearish effect, like you can see here on my Twitter page. So as well, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. It is at @CoC, like you can see over here. And if you're going to follow us on Twitter, you will be definitely not miss out on any of these further signals that we're going to give to you guys. So yeah, we came down, reached our price target, and right now, personally, from this point of recording, I do expect a further continuation up here towards higher targets as well. Like I just told you a moment ago, we could be maybe look for some kind of W structure, and of course, for a W structure to play out on Bitcoin, we do need to see, of course, the neckline getting broken. I want to be seeing a successful 1 hour candle close above it. Afterwards, we could be waiting for 1 hour retest on the lower side here. If you are going to get that one, that could be your opportunity to look for a long position, and then you could be taking a trade towards the upside. Of course, if we're going to look to price targets where we could be trading this market towards, it could be for sure an approximately trade towards the upside towards this range of 56.4k here. What are going to be meaning that we're going to see a 2.5% surge towards higher levels, and that is of course for sure a thing I'm looking forward towards to getting reached over here. So I'm definitely looking forward towards that, and I definitely can't wait to see where this market is heading towards from up this point of recording, of course. So as well, what we can currently see here on the market is that Bitcoin on the 4 hourly candle still is being creating this major falling wedge here. A falling wedge, just like we saw just a rising wedge on the 1 hour candles, a falling wedge instead of a rising wedge is of course a bullish bias pattern, and this bullish bias pattern on Bitcoin is going to be breaking out in the coming hours ahead of us. We still have a lot of hours to go here till it's going to be breaking out, but for sure, as soon as we do see a breakout of this falling wedge here, we are going to be having a price target of the top side of the wedge, what basically going to be equaling a 25% surge towards the upside. And together with, of course, that, like we know right now, like you can see on our Twitter page here, the market is right now in extreme fear, like you can see over here. We should be, of course, benefit from this market, yeah, pretty much right now here, because if you want to be benefiting from this market, what I'm right now doing here is building up swing trade positions here on BYBIT. And if you do want to be trading the market as well, don't forget to check out BYBIT here on the link in the description, of course. But I'm currently building up swing trade positions on BYBIT because I personally think that we're going to get a huge trend reversal back towards the upside. Since the market right now is in extreme fear, I do think this is going to be a very strong accumulation range that we're right now trading on. And together with some bullish divergence that we're creating on the RSI, of course, with lower lows on the market, higher lows on the RSI, together with the together with the falling wedge bullish bias pattern, I do think that this is a very good risk to reward buy here, and a very good range to start off a pyramid accumulating your entries right now here. And pyramid accumulating your entries is basically you're entering your trade first over here. If the market keeps going down, you're going to double down. If the market keeps going down further on, you're going to double down your quantity once again here. So you're going to be building up a massive position with the least amount of risk on the market. So that's going to be a very exciting strategy, of course, that you could be using right now here. Of course, still on the daily candles, we are looking to the similar pattern here, falling wedge getting created on the daily time frame, and as well, of course, on the daily time frame, we're creating this wedge here on the RSI. What is going to be relatively important to look at, of course, as soon as we do break out of this wedge on the RSI, I will keep you guys informed, because as soon as we do break out of the wedge, I personally do expect as well to see the volatility created on the market. So guys, this was already it for today's very quick update video. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the content, and of course on the daily time frame, a falling wedge as well has this continuation towards the top side of the wedge, what as well once again going to signify this 25% surge up here. So make sure that you are prepared for this right now here. Major moves are waiting for us right now here. Don't forget to pay your attention towards the market right now here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, at least in a new stream here, or later today if we're going to see anything more interesting playing out on this market. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.